All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol AMD, Advanced Micro Devices Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. So we can see here that there's been a bullish run. It reached highs of about 78, 76, and it dipped, right? It fell, and from that falling, bulls reappeared and they've allowed this to stay above the 50-day moving average. This recovery brought them up there. They dipped, they broke through it within an hour and a half. They recovered and they leveled off at 77.40. So let's go ahead and move our support levels and resistance levels to their new locations. I'm going to put it to the lowest point before the run, and we're going to go ahead and see here the highest point at this run. So zoom in here to get these at the right location, right point, so we can really get on the T and on the dot for what's going on here. So 50-day moving average is important. The 50-day moving average is 76.18. I'd write that down so that you guys can have a point of reference. As long as we're above it, bulls are in control. The moment we fall below it, the bears are starting to gain control. As of right now, bulls are in control, but if they want to maintain control, they're going to want to pull further away from the 50-day moving average in a upward direction. And how do the bulls accomplish that? Well, they need to break through resistance, and the first resistance level is 77.78. They need to break through this 77.78, turn that into support to start to work their way out. The next level of resistance after that is obviously the highest point of this recovery at 78.75. But before getting there, 77.78 needs to be broken through, turn into support, and start to work their way up to new resistance levels and newer highs, and pull themselves further away from the 50-day moving average of 76.18 in an upward direction. Now, on the other hand, we have what the bears want. The bears are going to want to break through support. If the bears break through support, they've accomplished two things. They broke through the 50-day moving average, right, of 76.18, and they broke through support, getting deeper into bearish territory. So support is super important. I'd pay very close attention to how this stock is reacting if it reaches support, and that's 75.36. That support level gets broken, this will test new lows and new support levels. And I actually want to give an advice to any investor that is trying to zoom in on this and break it down as much as possible. 76.18, even though it's the 50-day moving average and it's not a support, it could be used as a pre-support level to look at before it reaches 75.36. Obviously, if it breaks through the 50-day moving average, it doesn't mean that it's completely going to go down. That's something to just pay very close attention to how quickly it breaks through it, or are the bulls going to recover and bring it back up? So it's something to just have a sense of direction of what's going on, 76.18, if it gets broken through. But the true support is way down here at 75.36. I want to emphasize how important the 50-day moving average is to pay close attention to, but if 75.36 gets broken through, it is just as important, and I want to emphasize that as well, that this will start to see newer lows and new resistance. New support levels, and get further away from the 50-day moving average in a downward direction. Hope that with these cues and information, you guys will be well equipped for tomorrow's trading day to make your own rational decisions as investors. As always, if you feel encouraged or inclined to subscribe, please do so. But don't forget to click on the bell by turning on all notifications so that you guys don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watch this video. And at the end of this video, there's going to be a pop-up video filled with great information for all investors that may have overlooked it or know about it, but I actually break it down. Click on the video to receive all that information on how to make money while this market's been rising and even as it's going down. It can make you anywhere from 30 cents to $3 per share. Obviously, you got to do your own due diligence and research based off of the information I'm sharing with you guys. I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold, but it is some great enlightenment that I'm sharing with you all. I'm here to enlighten you guys so that we can maximize profits and minimize losses, and I'm here to help. So I hope you guys find that video helpful and informative as well. Click on the video as it pops up. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.